Students of Alan American School, Grade 7. How are you all? I miss you so much. Welcome to my classroom. Waves. This is the topic that we are going to study. Isn't it sound interesting? Now, we have entered in term 3. So you are going to use Science Fusion book, Sound and Light. I'm sure you all have it. So let's begin with our lesson. Wow, I can see a very interesting robot over here. The robot is teaching. Let's see what are our objectives. I will define waves. I will state the different types of waves and I will find the difference between them. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to define waves and state some different types of waves and differences between them. Let's begin our lesson. What comes in your mind when you look at this picture? Write down 5 things on a piece of paper. I would like to share my answers with you. Now, when I look at this picture, I can see water. I can see beautiful building of Burj Al Arab, ocean, the blue color of the water, the blue color of the sky, the city Dubai. I'm sure you have some similar answers and something else as well. Oops, I missed the most important thing, that is waves. What are waves actually? That is what we are going to study in this lesson. Now, there are 5 pictures. What all the pictures have common? Think. There is one thing similar in all of these pictures. And that thing is, they all are some pictures of waves. Different kinds of waves. Like ocean wave, ripples, sound waves, shock waves, and electromagnetic waves. Let's see. What are waves? The world is full of waves, as I have shown you in different pictures. Water waves are one kind of waves. Sound and light are also waves. But sound and light are energy, I think. So how it could be waves? Let's see. Isn't it confusing? No, it's not confusing. Let's see how sound and light are called as waves and energy. Now, this is a traditional Arabic instrument. When people hit it, it vibrates and produces sound. And to hit, we use our energy from our hands. And when the energy is transferred, sound is produced. So that means sound are waves and waves transfer energy. Now, look at this picture. This usually happens when we hit a rock on water. I'm sure most of you has done this. What happens? What is this thing called? What is the picture showing you? When we hit rock on water, it produces waves or ripples, and ripples are kind of waves. So, what is the meaning of waves? Wave is a disturbance that transfer energy from one place to another. Disturbance means when you hit it with a rock, it creates waves, and then you are using your energy. And the waves also carry the same energy. Most waves need a medium to travel. Medium means the material through which a wave travels. Let's discuss what is a medium. We cannot do experiment. We can. It's experiment time. Now, fill some water in a bucket or in a bowl and try to clap your hands in the water. Do it. Can you hear the clapping sound inside the water? Think, think, think. And do the experiment. I'm sure you all are doing. Yes, we can still hear our clapping sound inside the water, but it is not very clear or it is not very loud, isn't it? Now, clap your hands in the air in your room like we do normally. Find the difference in the sound produced. When you clap your hands in the air, isn't the sound clear and loud? Yes, it is. So what the air and water are doing here? Air and water are the mediums through which sound is traveling. Sometimes the sound is high, sometimes the sound is low, and sound is a wave. So it means that waves need a medium. Waves need a material through which it can transfer. Let's discuss some types of waves. Do you have any idea what are some types of waves? Yes or no? No. None of you have any idea. So let's see what are different types of waves. Mechanical waves. Waves that requires a medium or material to travel. Just you did an experiment and you know that sound waves require a material or medium. Electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves travels in electrical or magnetic fields through a space and they don't need any medium. Light and X-rays are example of electromagnetic waves. Now let's test. Draw a wave. Take a piece of paper and try to draw a wave. I'm sure you are done. Shall I proceed or you need more time? Okay, your waves should be similar like this. Now, from left to right in the center, draw a straight dotted line. Like this, exactly. Now I want you to mark the top and the bottom peaks or edges. Make an arrow on top and bottom peaks or edges. Like this. Now, this is how we draw a wave when we learn in science. The top part of the wave is called crest and the bottom part of the wave is called trough. So all the waves, whether it is mechanical or electromagnetic wave, has crest and trough. Now, waves are classified as transfer waves. You have seen so many pictures in this video before, like water ripples, light, the moving of a rope, and earthquake. They all are some examples of transfer waves. The second type of wave is longitudinal wave. Sound waves are longitudinal waves and spring is an example of a longitudinal wave. Now, I'm giving you a small homework. You have to open your textbook to page number 13. You will see questions. You will solve the following questions from question number 1 till question number 6. I have also attached the picture of the page. Now, you write the answer in your book. Take a very clear and big picture of your answers and don't forget to write your name and class. And then you have to email it to me. Isn't it simple? Let's recap. What are waves and what do you know about it? Fill all of these 8 parts. I'm giving you 10 seconds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so what we have learned today about waves? We have learned about longitudinal waves, transfer waves, mechanical waves, electromagnetic waves, sound and light. They are also waves. What is the meaning of wave? A wave is a disturbance. Waves can travel through material or medium, and waves transfer energy from one place to another. My dear students, how do you feel about my lesson today? Is it yay or is it nay? If you have any suggestions, any ideas or complaints, please do let me know. Thank you for taking interest. Please complete your work and submit it to me by 16th of April. And don't forget to write your complete name and class in section. If you have any questions, you can always email me or you can also message me on Class Dojo. Thank you for your time and thank you for studying so hard. Take care of yourself, stay at home, stay healthy, eat healthy, do some exercise. We will meet soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.